Hello friends, I'm making this video for one reason. To entertain myself while this uploads to my editor. So that I can spend all this time uploading it. Let me find a place for this. So hello, as you can see I have a naked Samantha. But this is because I'm doing my very first and hopefully first of many sewing videos. I really like sewing. You've seen some stuff I made in other videos, I'm sure. And so I've been watching a lot of Rachel Masky, and Bernadette Bania. They're vintage sewer people, and I was inspired. So I'm going to be making a off-the-shoulder top and pinafore tank toppy dress. And I'm going to show you. For the off-the-shoulder top, I just have this nice mintish fabric. It's way prettier in real life than it is on camera, I promise you. But yeah, that's going to be the off-the-shoulder kind of nice top. And for the pinafore, I just have this vintage fabric that I thought would be really cute. So yeah, I'm going to cut out some pieces that I think will work and show you those. Bye-bye. Oh look, only 3 more videos. Huh. Okay, so these are my pieces. This is the skirt piece for the jumper. It's just kind of long. It looks like I cut it. Like a hamster knotted, actually. But it won't when I'm done, because I'll hem it and trim it and all that fun stuff. There's 2 of these, but these are going to be the straps. I'm just going to fold them in half and do the safety pin trip, which I'll show you later. There's 2. This is the bodice for the off-the-shoulder shirt. Never mind, this is the ruffle. This is the bodice. It's upside down. Those are going to be the armholes, and you're going to fold it, you know. So yeah, I'm going to go sew these. I might film like one of the sewing. I don't know. Look, they're all loading in. But yeah. Say that for the little tongue part of the pinafore, I just cut this square of fabric. It's really crooked, but it won't be when I'm done. So yeah, so I basically finished the pinafore today. I might want to go down and add some lace to make the skirt look longer. It just closes in around the neck with Velcro, and I think it's really cute. And I think I'll start tomorrow on the top. I have finished the shirt. I think it's really cute. It's kind of an off-the-shoulder-ish top that you can push up the shoulders. I thought I'd do an off-the-shoulder top because Rich Muskie says that they're very easy to make vintage and you can buy them modern. So I think it's pretty cute. I'm going to put the pinafore on, take some pictures, and do the reveal. Okay, so these do not fit right to be worn as separate pieces. So I think I'm just going to make them be separate pieces. Wrap up. So, in conclusion, I thought this was a really fun video. Really fun. So, you know, kind of fun video to do. The few things I would have changed is I don't really like the pinafore. I don't really like how it looks on Samantha. It could look better on a Be Forever Samantha, and I just don't like how anything looks on my PC these days. So that could be. And I did want to wear this underneath that because that's one of the things I've always loved about Rachel and her style. Felicity, like, oh, your sister's hair. Is that? And I thought that was cool. But it looked really bad together, and it's not yet the look I wanted. You're slowly tipping. The next thing, this is kind of coming apart, so they're definitely not my favorite thing I make. I definitely like the shirt better than the dress, but I think they look pretty close to what she would wear, and I'm pretty happy with what I was able to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as Rachel would say, I love you guys whether you're new or old to this channel, and if you're new here, I hope you'll stick around. Bye!